Hello and welcome to the series How to Build Test Automation Framework using Page Object Model in Selenium and Java. In today's video, I'm going to talk about in detail how to take screenshots in Selenium and only for the failing scenarios. So let's begin. Till now we have automated scenarios for welcome page and checkbox page, and also we have seen different types of weights in Selenium. And let's see how we can take a screenshot. So for that, let's take the first method, which is a test heading, and I'm going to add the functionality of taking a screenshot in the base test. So if you have not seen my previous video where I have implemented this base page and what is the importance of this base page, you can I'll put the link in the description. You can have a look of that. Okay, so let's see how we can take a screenshot. So for that, first we have to create an object of take screenshot. So let's create an object. Take a screenshot is equal to, and we have to initialize this object of a screenshot with the driver. Now this driver is of type WebDriver, and this is a take a screenshot, so these are not compatible. So we have to just do the typecasting, and for that you have to, within a bracket, you have to put take a screenshot. Okay, then we have to store the screenshot in one of the source file, and so for that, file src and file is equal to take screenshot that dot get screenshot as, then output type file. There are different output types like base 64 etc, but for our scenario let's take file type, output type as a file, and then we have to save this file in the at some place. So for that I'm just naming it as a file, as a file destination file is equal to new file, and we have to give the path. So I'm saving it into screenshots folder, and let me give the name for now screen.png. okay, and the last thing is we have to use a file util to copy the source file into the destination file, but we don't have a file util dependency. So for that we have to add the dependency. I have already created a video where I have demonstrated how we can add the dependencies in the POM. I will put the link in the description. You can have a look of that also. So for that, to add the dependency, let's go to the POM, just do a right click, go to generate, and then click on add dependencies, and over here let's type commons.io. okay, and now it will search you, and it will say you will have to, there are different commons.io, but we have to take Apache commons.io, and here it will list down some versions, but let's take the latest one and click on add. So as soon as you do, it will add the dependency over here, and after that just go to the either you will see this link over here, or just go to the Maven tab and just reload your Maven. okay, and then let's go to our code. We have got the dependency, then copy file, then the source file, then destination file. That's all. Now this method is throwing some exceptions. Let's add that exception into our signature. Okay, so we are done. We have written our snippet to capture a screenshot. Let's run the first test case. Okay, sorry. let me run this test. So I have just executed the test. It launches the browser, and yep, so test is passing, and the new folder, screenshot folder, has been created, and the screenshot is taken. Yep. But you see, we are getting this screenshot even the test is passing. Ideally we should take a screenshot only for the failing scenario, and for that let's add let's implement that. So so in the tear down, let's add our I test result. It is an interface, and it provides a method which is a result dot get status, and it will return you the int an integer, and which will be nothing but if you see I test result failure, which it's an enum and it has a value 2. So yep, so let's do this, and then let's put it in this if block. So now we have added a condition that if the script is failed, then only it should take a screenshot. Let me delete this and let's run. So now the test will pass, and that's why there will be no screenshot for this execution. Yeah, and let's fail the test case and let's rerun it. Yeah, so test got failed, and in the screenshot folder, if you see, there is a screenshot present. Now so as we can see, like we have hard coded the name of a file. So if we have executed multiple test cases and there are multiple failures, then every time this screen .png will get overridden with the last one, with the latest one. So for that, let's do one thing. Let's make it a dynamic, and for that let's create a string dot format, and then we have already using our result I test result, then I test result dot get name. This will give you the test method name. So in this scenario, it will be the test heading. For example, let's say I'm running let's say this test subheading get failed. So then the screenshot file will be there with the name test subheading.png. So for let's see for this scenario itself, and I'm just running it. So new screenshot will be available with this name test heading.png. It got failed, and the png is created, test heading.png. Okay, so this is how we can take a screenshot, and only for the failing scenarios. Yeah, that's all I wanted to demonstrate in this video. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.